How inflation will make you rich overnight. Welcome to our channel where we unravel the mysteries of economics and finance. In this video, we will discuss a fascinating concept that has the potential to make you rich overnight: inflation. For decades, inflation has been perceived as a negative force that erodes purchasing power. However, we will reveal a unique perspective that sheds light on how inflation can actually be advantageous if you understand it well. Stay tuned to discover how inflation can work in your favor and help you achieve financial success. Now, before you jump to conclusions, we want to make it clear that we're not advocating reckless financial decisions. Instead, we'll explore how understanding inflation can be a valuable tool in your investment and wealth-building strategies. So, let's dive in. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest insights into the world of economics and finance. In today's video, we will challenge the conventional perception of inflation and explore how it can truly make you rich overnight. Inflation has long been considered an enemy, diminishing the value of your hard-earned money. But what if we told you that it's possible to turn the tables and use inflation to your advantage? Intrigued? Then keep watching. The power of inflation: understanding the basics. Before diving into how inflation can make you rich overnight, let's start with the basics. Inflation refers to the increase in prices of goods and services over time. Most people perceive inflation solely as a negative force that erodes the purchasing power of money. However, this is only part of the story. To begin, let's break down what inflation is and how it affects our economy and personal finances. When inflation occurs, your purchasing power decreases, meaning you can buy fewer goods with the same amount of money. Historically, inflation has averaged around 2–3% per year. However, it can vary significantly over time due to various economic factors. Let's look at inflation and your savings. Now, you might be wondering, how can inflation make you rich? Well, imagine you have $10,000 in a savings account earning a fixed 1% interest rate annually. At the end of the year, you would have $10,100, right? Well, not exactly. Due to inflation, the purchasing power of your $10,100 would have decreased. So, in reality, you might only be able to buy goods and services worth $9,900. In other words, your savings have lost value over time. What about investments and inflation? Is inflation friend or foe? While savings accounts might struggle to keep up with inflation, certain investments have the potential to outpace it. Contrary to popular belief, inflation can actually work in your favor if you know how to navigate its intricacies. When the value of money decreases due to inflation, the cost of assets and investments tends to rise. This means that if you hold on to the right assets during inflationary periods, their value will likely appreciate significantly. Assets like stocks, real estate, and commodities have historically shown the ability to outperform inflation over the long term. By strategically investing in these assets, you can protect your wealth and potentially see substantial gains. Making it by investing in real assets. One powerful way to protect your wealth and benefit from inflation is to invest in real assets. Real estate, for example, has proven to be a reliable hedge against inflation over the years. As prices rise, so too does the value of your property, increasing your net worth. Similarly, tangible assets like gold and silver tend to gain value during inflationary periods. By allocating a portion of your portfolio to these assets, you can safeguard your wealth and potentially even turn a significant profit. Go for inflation-proof assets. Some assets have historically proven to be inflation hedges and can safeguard your wealth during turbulent times. Assets like gold, certain commodities, and inflation-protected securities, TIPS, can act as a hedge against rising inflation, preserving your purchasing power. Get your profit from leveraging debt. Now, we need to touch on a concept that some might find surprising: leveraging debt to combat inflation. When inflation rises, the value of debt you owe decreases in real terms. To illustrate this, consider having a fixed-rate mortgage at 4% during a period of 5% inflation. The real interest rate on your mortgage is only 1%, 5% inflation, 4% interest rate. Essentially, you're paying off your mortgage with cheaper dollars. Tapping into the market. In addition to real assets, inflation also creates opportunities in the financial markets. Stocks have historically outperformed other assets during times of inflation. By investing in well-established companies that can increase their prices to keep up with inflation, you not only protect your wealth but also potentially boost your returns. The importance of financial education. Understanding inflation and how to navigate its effects is just one part of financial literacy. Educating yourself on personal finance and investing is crucial for long-term wealth building. There are plenty of resources available online and in libraries to help you improve your financial knowledge and make informed decisions. In conclusion, while inflation may erode the value of your money over time, it presents opportunities to grow your wealth if approached strategically. By investing wisely, leveraging debt effectively, and staying financially educated, you can harness the power of inflation too. Remember, there are no shortcuts to overnight riches, but a well-informed approach can lead to long-term financial security and growth. So there you have it, a different perspective on inflation and how it can make you rich overnight. By understanding the true power of inflation and taking strategic actions, such as investing in real assets and the stock market, you can harness its potential to your advantage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. And as always, consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.